Hello, welcome guys. Today we're going to deep clean the Seiko Quartz watch. And I already cleaned the crystal as much as I could. And now we're going to do the band. You can tell it's actually not in too bad of a shape. If we open this up, that part's a little bit dirty here. Okay, so that needs a little bit of cleaning. Now take a look all around, and then we're going to come back and we're going to see the difference. But you can tell that on the inner band it is really dirty right there. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the springs and get the band loose so we can actually put it in a cleaning solution, which is just water and Dawn soap. But let's get it open first. I'm using this pry tool by Yours, which works pretty well for this. So just want to locate the spring bar there, and we're just gonna. Okay, so now we have the Dawn soap and some warm water. That's all we're really gonna need, and we're just gonna take the whole thing and just put it in there. And then we're just gonna take our brush and brush it away. We're just gonna let it sit for a little while, and I'll show you how to do that process next. Okay, since we had the bands off while those are soaking, we're also going to take a chance to clean the inside of the vessel, which is, you can tell, see how dirty that is. And also the edges are a bit dirty, and this is dirty too. So we're going to start off by using this wooden tool, and we're just going to work some of that dirt out of the way. And you can see just how much dirt there is right there. I'll make sure you have somewhere where that's going to land. And make sure you're cleaning it off as you're doing this, because you don't want to have it on your table, all that grime. But it's going to look nice once it's all nice and clean. So let's just keep going. Okay, so you can tell it's already looking much better. All right, but let's take a brush and use some of this Dawn soap that's near us, and then try to polish or to clean it a little bit better. It won't harm anything, so let's give that a shot. Okay, so I'll use this brush right here, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of the water, not too much, and then we're just gonna go in there and scrape this a little bit. Don't worry, it's not going to harm anything, so we're all good. We're not soaking it in any sort of deep water. We're just using the Dawn soap and the hot water to get some of the grime off. So we did the first part with the wooden stick, and now we're doing the second part. Okay, and then we're just going to wipe it down with the rag. Get deep there in those edges of the vessel. Okay, and it's already looking much nicer, so you can tell that it definitely looks much better. Even the inside here is cleaner. Looks better. Zoom in on it. Yeah, that's much better. But we're gonna go one more step. I want to wipe it down a little bit more, and then we're gonna actually polish it. So let's do that now. Okay, so now we have the Dremel and we have the Dialux. And then we're just gonna do a little bit of polishing. So the way we do this, bring out the Dremel. Now we have the Dialux, and let's get polishing it. Okay, so here we are. Now, see how much better that looks? Looks way better. If we get a before and after shot here, you see how much better it looks. Even the sides look better. The inside looks better here. Okay, so we're going to follow the same process for the bands, and then we're going to put the watch back together and see what it looks like when it's complete. Okay, so let's polish the watch bands much the same way as we did the vessel. Same thing, using that. And as you can tell, the bands are already looking much better. So this is just with the Dawn soap and the brush, just like I did the vessel. And now we're just gonna do a little bit of polishing here, just to make it a little bit more shiny. As you can see, it's already working very, very well. If you remember how dirty this was, now it's looking much nicer, much sharper, much cleaner. So we got the first band in there. Now we're gonna get the second band in there too. The way I do it is I try to line this up as much as I can. I'm gonna get the spring bar and put it in here, the first one, so it's lined up, so it's in the hole there. Okay, then I push it up. As long as we got that first part, let's see if we can get this second part going here. Hey there, thanks so much for checking out this video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can get our latest videos when they come out. Hey, while you're here, check out this playlist. There's so many crazy and amazing things, so check that out.